There's a simple formula to accelerate your growth as a business, and it's this. High growth is as simple as making more offers, making more compelling offers, making more frequent offers. That's all there is to growing your business super fast. Make more offers. This book, One Page Marketing Plan, one of my favorite marketing books to come out in the last decade, I would say. One Page Marketing Plan by Allan Dib literally lays out a plan, a simple one-page marketing plan that you can operate your business with. I've interviewed Allan Dib on our podcast, and you can check out the video on the channel as well. So let's talk about this idea that high growth is as simple as making more offers. You see, if you want to have dramatic growth in a short period of time, you have to become a prolific marketer. This is one of the keys to a high growth business. You have to focus heavily on marketing, and you have to focus heavily on making a lot of offers. You have to focus on making a lot of offers. That's how you become a prolific marketer. Now you might be wondering, hey, if I make a lot of offers and people don't like it, or my audience doesn't like it, then it's the end of the story. Well, no. Not at all. If they don't like it, they won't buy it. They won't hold a grudge against you for you putting an offer out there. If you are going to become a prolific marketer, you're going to put the offer out there. You're going to have a lot of failed offers as a result of trying, but then you will find the few that truly work. And the key is to understand that you don't need a lot of different big hits to offset your misses. And once you find the offers that work, you keep making those offers more and more and more and more and more. Once you find the offers that convert, you go much deeper on those offers. You try to become much more diligent with those offers. So your job, if you want to have a dramatic growth in a very short period of time, you have to make this a regular system in your business to craft more offers and to send more offers to your audience, to your prospects, to your leads. This is the simplest marketing math you can literally do. More offers will always lead to more revenue. More offers will always lead to more revenue. I wish that I could, it's easy for me to say and probably easy for you to listen to right now, but it's going to be difficult for you to implement because you're going to stop yourself from making those offers because you're going to be wondering if you're going to be offending your audience by sending more offers. But if you look at your emails, if today you go into your email inbox and you look at all the emails that have come into your inbox or into your promotions folder or into your other folders, you'll see, other than your friendly emails, almost every single email, whether it's coming from Apple or Dell or Amazon or Walmart or some airline or some hotel company, it's all an offer. Every single email is an offer for you to buy something or the other. That's what they're doing. They're making more offers. Every single one of those emails is an offer email. So you might be surprised to see so many offers coming your way in your emails, but that's how businesses grow. And I see this all the time with my coaching clients, with my business coaching clients. Their businesses struggle because they either do not have a good offer or they're not making more offers. So if you do not have a great offer just yet, the only way you will find a great offer is if you test a lot of offers. If you make a lot of offers, that's when you will find an offer that converts. Right? So either ways, you need to make a lot more offers, either to find that great offer that converts or just to make more money. If you're not making more offers, your business is probably struggling today. This is simple. This is simple math. If you're not making more offers, your business is probably struggling. So your job is to find those offers, find those great offers, continually test, continually improve, and then once you find those, just keep making more of those offers. Example, here are 2,000 books. I mean, when we started making the email marketing systems work, our funnel, we were initially designing funnel for, I had to become really deliberate with our funnel design. because our initial funnel, I was just offering productivity pack and mental toughness pack in our automated funnels. But the new funnel, we offer a whole lot of different products, one after the other after the other. When you sign up for our email list, you might be able to study those emails and see what we're doing in those emails. You can go to 2000books.com and opt into one of our, summary packs, or just sign up for free and to get some of our summaries, and you'll see how our funnels are designed, what we're doing in those funnels. The productivity pack, the mental toughness pack, social skills, meditation course, double your productivity. We're constantly improving our funnels. We're constantly adding more to our email marketing funnel. And not only that, we're making more offers on YouTube and even on our podcast. Not only that, we're seeking out more affiliates to be able to make more offers to other people's audiences. For example, one of our big affiliates is Simple Programmer by my good friend John Sonmez, or even Bulldog Mindset with my good friend John Sonmez. You see, the key is to find more to consistently send more offers, whether it's email promotional campaigns, whether it's joint venture partnerships, affiliate campaigns. Not only that, here at 2000 Books, we are hiring copywriters to create and send more offers, to create more email marketing collateral, to create better offer copy, to improve our sales pages, constantly working on sending more offers and sending better offers, highly targeted offers. So you might be wondering, well, that all sounds great, Manny, but what can I do today to change my business? Well, here's what you do. There are 5 actions you can take to become a high growth business right now. First, you need to automate your marketing or sales systems, and especially you need to deploy your email marketing systems. And the email marketing tool I love, and that's the one we use at 2000 Books, is Convertkit. You can get a free trial, 14-day trial, by going to 2000books.com/convert. And the key is, if you don't have automated marketing systems or automated sales systems, your business is going to struggle. Your business is going to struggle. If your marketing and sales systems are not automated, you will always be living from paycheck to paycheck, as in you will always be living from month to month, hoping to make some sales, hoping to make some money. Until you automate your marketing, until you automate your sales systems, you don't have a legit business. You're kind of a hustler. You don't have systems and processes just yet to make this business work. The business doesn't really work without you. So you have to remember, you have to make this business. If you want to make it a high growth business, you must automate your marketing and sales systems. And that all starts with email marketing systems. If you don't have email marketing systems, you probably don't have a business just yet. Open your email inbox, look at all the emails that are coming at you. Every Fortune 500 company that you have done business with, they are in your inbox today. So you have to automate your marketing. You have to automate your email marketing systems. The second action you can take is to add more offers or products to your automated marketing funnels. It's not enough to just say, okay, we automated our marketing and we have 7 days of emails that are going out and that's it. No, our first funnel back in 2016, it was a 7-day email sequence to sell just one offer. Now in 2020, it's 3 months of email sequences to send, to make a lot more offers, so make a lot more compelling offers. And we'll continue to build on this. Literally, we're hiring copywriters. I want this to be such that we have 6 months of email, a year of emails being able to send out to our audiences. That's how deep email marketing goes. And your job is to continuously improve your automation systems, to continuously add more offers on the back end of your email marketing systems, to add more offers to the back end of your front end offers, right? That's really important. The third action. So I told you 2 actions you need to do. First of all, you need to automate your marketing systems and sales systems. The next is to add more offers and products to the back end of your front end marketing. The third thing you need to do is to segment your list so that you can make specific offers to specific audiences, so that you don't want to blast your whole list with all the offers you're sending. Maybe some people are interested in entrepreneurship, so we send them entrepreneurship related stuff. Really, that's what we do. Depending on the people's interest in our email list, you have to tag them. That's what we do. We tag them in our email marketing system in Convertkit. Really easy to do. For example, here at 2000 Books, we know what each of our email subscribers is interested in because of what they opted in for. Maybe you opted in for the 7-day focus challenge. Maybe you opted in for the indestructible mind challenge. Maybe you opted in for the billionaire secrets to success. Whatever it is, when you opt in, we know what you're interested in. There's so many we have over 20, 30, 40, 50 lead magnets at this point. It's a long list of lead magnets that we have. And depending on what someone opts in for, if someone opts in for the summaries of the 5 top business books, well, then they are going to be tagged as someone who is interested in entrepreneurship. So we're going to send them entrepreneurship related stuff. We're going to send them marketing related stuff. So we tag the email subscribers based on what they click in our emails, what they sign up for on our websites, what they buy, and what free stuff they get. We tag them. So if someone's 7-day focus challenge, we tag them as if they're interested in productivity, because they are. If someone signs up for the Indestructible Mind Challenge, we know they're interested in mental toughness, so on and so forth. So, and then we make specific offers based on their behavior. Because we know what they opted in for, now we can send emails that are in alignment with their interests, right? So different people get different emails from us at 2000 Books depending on their interests. Now, why should you segment your list? Because that's the only way you can send very specific offers to your audience so that you don't bombard them. So that you can send more and more offers to those interested in a topic while not sending those offers to others who are not interested. That's huge. That's really important to understand. The other thing you need to do, the 4th action item I have for you, is to seek out partners and affiliates and joint venture partners where you can offer your product to their list and also offer their product to your list. Look for win-win relationships. And if you haven't watch my video on Dream 50. That is literally one of the fastest ways to grow your business. I talk about that strategy, and it's talked about in the book, The Entrepreneur Roller Coaster. A lot of great books talk about it, but this is one of my favorite strategies, one of the fastest ways to grow your business, no matter what kind of business it is. Watch my video on Dream 50. Okay, the 5th action you can take to become a high growth business is to design and send more offers. Create more offers, create new offers, test what works, test what gets the best return on investment, improve your existing offers, add more value, increase the price, design and send more offers. These are the 5 things. If you do these 5 things, you will legitimately grow your business at a very high clip. Now, if you are interested in growing your online business, starting or growing your online business super fast, you need to join my 6-Figure Accelerator, because that's where I will be helping experts, coaches, information product creators who want to build an info product empire, especially if you are a content creator and you want to use the power of organic marketing, YouTube, podcast, blogging, all that stuff to build your business. I'm opening up enrollment for the 6-Figure Accelerator. You can check it out by going to 2000books.com/coaching. I will personally help you build your 6-figure online business. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check that out. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if you agree with being able to make more offers in your business is really important to grow your business super fast. Let me know in the comments below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.